These three tools are located here on the toolbar. Okay, so the next three tools I want to take you through are the Magic Wand tool, the Scribble selection tool, and the brush tool. I'll start with the Magic Wand tool. Let me just zoom in a little. Okay, so the Magic Wand tool is a really useful tool for selecting colours that are quite similar and that are located around each other. Now you'll see that I've just pressed it on the top there, the top of that leaf, and there seems to be sections that are selected and sections that aren't selected. If I adjust my tolerance, the tolerance is low, that's at 17. The higher the tolerance, the more colours in that range will be selected. So I'll move it up to about 86 and I'll try again by just touching on the bottom leaf. And now you'll see it's selected all of those colours in that range. Once they're selected, you can then apply effects to it. You can apply adjustments. You can go ahead and cut that out. You can do all kinds of things to that selection. I'll just deselect it. Okay, the next tool I want to show you, I'll just zoom back out, is the Scribble selection tool. So with the Scribble selection tool, you highlight areas that you want to keep by pressing the keep button, and I'm going to say I want to keep this area. So I'm just drawing around the area I want to keep. I'll scribble inside of it to tell it that I also want to keep that area and everything in there. And then I want to remove all of this area. So I'm just scribbling around the areas I want to remove. Then if I let go, it'll show me that I have selected just this area and I've omitted the other area there. So that's a pretty handy tool. I'll go ahead and deselect again. Okay, the last tool in the selection set is the brush selection tool. Now what you do with the brush selection tool is you simply colour in the area you want to keep. So I'm going to keep this petal right here. I want to select just this petal and leave all the other petals out. So the way I do it is I just colour it in with a brush, as the name suggests, the brush selection tool. And once that's done, it will then select everything that brush is coloured in. So they're the three tools that I want to show you: the brush selection tool, the Magic Wand tool, and the Scribble selection tool.